Good afternoon, my name is Delilah Segovia, and I will be listing the energy sources for skeletal muscle fiber contractions, which is in chapter 9. So to start, what are energy sources for muscle contractions? ATP is the energy molecule used in cells because it can release energy very quickly, and this molecule is used as an energy carrier within cells and is found in all living things. Energy is released from ATP when the end of phosphate is removed. The three different pathways our body can make ATP rapidly is direct phosphorylation, anaerobic pathway, and aerobic pathways. To explain, the first one, direct phosphorylation, is the process of creating phosphate with ADP to create ATP, and it is catalyzed by the enzyme creatine. It creates 1 ATP per CP and lasts about 10 seconds. And you can see on the diagram how ATP is created. It goes from CP to the enzyme and ADP to create ATP. And it does not use oxygen. Anaerobic pathway, which is glycolysis. Glycolysis is the initial phase of glucose breakdown. After ATP and CP are used up, ATP is generated and made up by glycolysis and leaves behind a lactic acid. It produces 2 ATP per glucose and lasts about 30 to 40 seconds, and it does not require or use oxygen at all. And as you can see in the diagram, you can see how it goes from glucose all the way down to ATP and lactic acid into the blood. Aerobic pathway, which is Krebs cycle, uses fat, glucose, and glycogen to make phosphate or glycolysis, and needs a constant supply of oxygen. This is what makes it different from the other two previously explained. And it also produces the most ATP. It produces 32 ATP per glucose, CO2, and H2O. And this process can last hours. And you can see it goes from glucose to the pyruvic acid to aerobic respiration and to ATP. And these are my references. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.